What's up, YouTube? Thank you guys so much for checking back into my channel. Just gonna recap. I'm halfway through Python for everybody, the program for Python through University of Michigan. So just gonna kind of go back through what I've learned, my impression of the first half of the course, and go from there. So this past week, kind of some of the things that I've learned was, I learned a little bit about return statements, learned loops and iterations, so like the while loop, learn how to break those loops, the continue function, learn some of like definite loops when you use like the for construct, learn how to put loops as far as using them for like counting, adding the total of things, finding the average of things, filtering, finding the smallest, largest values. Also learn the none type, that you can use none with some of these coding variations, and also learn the is and is not statements for true and false setups. So yeah, that was just kind of like a brief overlay of kind of what I went over this week. So mainly kind of wanted to talk about in this video just my impression of the first half of this course, how I'm feeling, and where I'm at personally in this course, and yeah. So honestly, I believe it's been a really good course so far. Honestly, going from 5 weeks ago not knowing anything at all about coding to able to do pretty simple stuff still. They gave us, it's a lot of information to really take in, and until I get a chance to really continue to practice more and more, I know that I'll get there, but I feel like this has been a really good foundation to kind of get my feet wet with just learning how to code. Like I said, it's been a lot of information, but with the whole second half of this course coming up, I know there will still be a lot that I'll hopefully be familiar with just from the first half of this course. And I'm hoping, when I get to learning other coding languages and go further on into these online courses, that there's just a lot of overlap, and that I can really kind of solidify what I've learned and what I know. One of the things that I really do like, I do really enjoy and like the assignments. They have me nervous because I've had a difficult time just going in and doing it all on my own without having to seek outside help. But it's been nice. There's YouTube videos that basically do the problems, and I feel like I learn best when I can see a problem, work through, and be able to kind of work through and learn by seeing someone work through the problem, which this course has been pretty good about. The kind of the PowerPoint slide videos and stuff like that show some of that. There have been some videos in there too that kind of show the instructor working over several assignments. So that's been good. Like I said, I really came from not really knowing any of this to just kind of jumping right in and trying to learn as much as I can. So honestly, from where I started 5 weeks ago to kind of what I know now, I've learned a lot, especially for just 2 days a week, a couple hours a week, basically being able to dedicate to the course and studying. So overall, I think I am starting to learn more and more, and I pray that hopefully it just kind of continues to keep building and compounding, where I get a little bit more confident with some of these things. It's because it's difficult. It's not easy, and some of the coding and everything can be pretty complicated. But just hope I can continue to stick with it and be patient with myself and just kind of go with the flow with everything, and just trust that I'll learn it as I continue to put that effort in. So the plan is to continue this course, the second half of this course, and continue to go on from there. I still plan on posting a video every week. For y'all out there that want to just kind of follow along with my journey learning how to code, maybe for, when I'm like an expert in the future, you want to look back and see where I started at, you can do that. And also really just to keep myself accountable and keeping up with this course, keeping up with the learning, and yeah, just getting comfortable with that, getting comfortable with very minor content creation. I know these videos aren't super professional, but I'm doing something. I'm doing it, so that's good. Thank you guys so much again for those of you that have subscribed, those of you that are following me, that are keeping up with my journey, those of you that kind of familiarize yourself with where I'm at and everything. Again, I just want to say thank you, and feel free to leave any encouraging comments, and yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And yeah, like I said, I'll continue to post these videos. Hopefully I'll be able to get another one out next week. I know next week will be pretty busy for me, but I'll try to see if I can get one out by Sunday. If not, maybe a day or two later. We'll see. But thank you guys for stopping by. Y'all have a good one. Bye.